3D motion graphics of VFX? Let's go about this topic. Creating 3D motion graphics involves combining three-dimensional elements and animation to create visually engaging and dynamic content. Here are the steps and software tools commonly used to create 3D motion graphics. 1. Concept and storyboard. Start by defining the concept and purpose of your motion graphic. Create a storyboard to plan the sequence of scenes and animations. 2. 3D modeling. Use 3D modeling software such as Blender, Autodesk Maya, or Cinema 4D to create 3D objects, characters, or environments. Texturing and shading can be applied to these 3D models to make them visually appealing. 3. Animation. Animate the 3D elements by defining keyframes and motion paths. Use animation software to control the movement, rotation, and scaling of objects. Rigging may be necessary for character animation to control bone structures and deformations. 4. Lighting and rendering. Set up virtual lighting sources to illuminate the 3D scene. Render the animation frames or sequences into video files. Rendering can be time-consuming, especially for complex scenes. 5. Visual effects. Add visual effects like particle systems, fluid simulations, and dynamics to enhance the visual quality. 6. Compositing. Use compositing software such as Adobe After Effects or Nuke to combine 3D elements with 2D graphics, live-action footage, and additional effects. Apply color correction, grading, and post-processing effects to achieve the desired look. 7. Sound design. Add background music, sound effects, and voiceovers to complement the visuals. Synchronize audio with the motion graphics for a cohesive experience. 8. Export and delivery. Export the final motion graphic in the desired format and resolution, considering the platform where it will be displayed, e.g., YouTube, Vimeo, social media, or broadcast television. Ensure the video is optimized for online streaming or other specific delivery methods. 9. Testing and feedback. Review the motion graphic with a test audience or colleagues to gather feedback and make necessary adjustments. 10. Distribution. Share or publish the 3D motion graphic on the intended platform. Tools like Blender, Cinema 4D, Autodesk Maya, and Adobe After Effects are commonly used in the industry for creating 3D motion graphics. Learning these tools and practicing 3D animation and motion graphics techniques will help you create impressive 3D motion graphics for a wide range of applications, including marketing, entertainment, and education.